When we think about a project to address corrosion activity or corrosion concerns in an asset, you have many options. So why choose HVTS? Fundamentally, HVTS will bring you time, buy you time, reduce the downtime of that asset through two key ways. The first is by reducing the time to install that alloy upgrade in your asset because of a faster application process and a more efficient back to service time with no post-weld heat treatment or heat affected zone. And secondly, because of the longevity of performance, we can mitigate the requirement to do future repairs in the asset by installing a robust corrosion barrier, which avoids future maintenance costs, reduces inspection, and again facilitates greater uptime for your asset.